Hello everyone, welcome back to the Flavour-O-Rama channel. Today's recipe is comforting to the heart and soul, hearty, and vegan. This recipe for sun-dried tomato bolognese is a perfect meal to make for your loved ones. First, make sure all of your vegetables are washed and pat-dried. Then, begin to roughly chop. These would include the green peppers, the red peppers, the red onion, the shallot, the tomato, and the garlic. If you are new to the Flavour-O-Rama channel, welcome. And if you are liking what you see here, go ahead and like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Your taste buds will thank you for your participation. Now back to the video. Next, begin to prep the fresh herbs. This would include the basil and parsley. Carefully take off the leaves of thyme off of each fresh sprig. If you do not have fresh herbs, dried herbs can be used as well. For this recipe, we are going to use a vegan substitute to replace meat for the sauce. Of course, this is optional if meat substitutes are not desired in the dish. This recipe will still be flavorful and delicious. Next, begin to open the can of crushed tomatoes and tomato paste. Now, go ahead and begin to roughly chop the sun-dried tomatoes. You can begin to add cooking oil to a warm pan or skillet. Then begin to saute the onions, shallot, green and red peppers. Continue to stir and saute the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes until they are soft. Next, add the minced or chopped garlic to the sauteed onions, peppers, and shallot. Then add the fresh tomatoes. Stir and saute all the ingredients until the garlic is fragrant. Next, add the tomato paste and stir in with the rest of the ingredients. Continue to cook and stir the tomato paste for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, you can add the chopped sun-dried tomatoes and stir. Now, go ahead and add the meat substitute and stir. Next, go ahead and add in the crushed tomatoes. Now begin to add the fresh herbs and seasoning. Stir and let the sauce simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, begin to prepare the pasta according to the directions on the package. Any pasta can be used for this recipe. Flavour-O-Rama seasoning can be added to the water for more flavor. Oil or butter can be added for flavor as well. When the pasta is al dente, drain, keep some of the pasta water to add to the sauce later, and set aside. Now, go ahead and add the cooked pasta with some of the pasta water into the sauce and stir together, making sure that each noodle is covered with sauce. And there you have it, tasty vegan sun-dried tomato bolognese. This is a perfect meal for two, paired with your choice of sides and some yummy wine if you're feeling classy. Once again, thank you for enjoying this video from the Flavour-O-Rama channel, and we will see you next time.